Understanding materials productivity is really the foundation of efficiency. Material productivity is the efficiency of using materials in any production process. Higher material productivity signifies getting more output from the same input of materials. This can translate to significant cost savings and increased profitability for organizations. Imagine, just for a moment, a carpenter who can build 2 tables from the same pile of wood instead of just one. That's material productivity in action. It's about maximizing value from every ounce of material used. Improved material productivity isn't just about reducing waste, it's about optimizing the entire material flow. This includes sourcing materials at the best prices, minimizing storage costs, and ensuring that materials are used effectively throughout the production process. By focusing on material productivity, businesses can enhance their competitiveness, reduce their environmental footprint, and improve their bottom line.
One of the most direct ways to boost material productivity is by securing the best possible prices for raw materials. Effective negotiation with suppliers, exploring alternative materials, and leveraging bulk purchasing power can lead to significant savings. For instance, a small bakery might negotiate a lower price on flour by committing to a long-term contract with a local mill. A large manufacturing firm might explore using recycled materials in its production process, often available at a lower cost than virgin materials. Beyond price, procurement optimization also involves considering factors like supplier reliability, material quality, and delivery timelines. By carefully evaluating these factors and establishing strong relationships with suppliers, businesses can ensure a consistent supply of high-quality materials at competitive prices. This contributes directly to improved material productivity and overall operational efficiency.
Waste reduction is critical for material productivity. Minimize losses from storage to production. Lean manufacturing, like just-in-time, reduces overstocking. A clothing manufacturer with excess fabric risks loss. Trends change or fabric gets damaged, causing loss. Just-in-time orders reduce this risk. Optimize production to minimize scrap and defects. Invest in precise machinery and quality control. Reducing waste saves costs and benefits the environment.
Streamlining inventory management, striking the right balance. Effective inventory management is crucial for material productivity. Holding excessive inventory ties up capital and incurs storage costs, while insufficient inventory can lead to production delays and lost sales. Imagine a bookstore that consistently overstocks. While having a wide selection is good, too many unsold books lead to storage issues, potential damage, and eventual write-offs. Conversely, running out of popular titles results in lost sales and disappointed customers. The key lies in finding the optimal inventory level enough to meet demand without incurring unnecessary costs. This involves implementing robust inventory tracking systems, analyzing demand patterns, and establishing clear reorder points for each material. By maintaining a lean yet responsive inventory system, businesses can reduce storage costs, minimize waste from obsolescence, and ensure that materials are readily available when needed for production.
Synchronization and collaboration, a holistic approach. Material productivity isn't confined to a single department. It's a company-wide endeavor. Aligning different departments like procurement, production, and sales is crucial for optimizing material flow and minimizing waste. For instance, sharing sales forecasts with the procurement team allows them to adjust order quantities and avoid overstocking. Similarly, clear communication between production and inventory control ensures materials are available when needed, preventing costly production downtime. This integrated approach extends beyond the company's walls. Collaborating with suppliers to improve delivery schedules and packaging can further reduce waste and enhance material utilization. By fostering a culture of communication, collaboration, and continuous improvement across the entire supply chain, businesses can create a truly efficient and sustainable material management system.
The impact of effective materials management. Effective materials management boosts productivity and ripples positive effects across an organization. From cost savings and increased profitability to a reduced environmental footprint, the benefits are numerous. Lower material costs impact the bottom line, allowing for competitive pricing. Reduced waste translates to less disposal costs and a smaller environmental impact. Streamlined inventory management frees up capital for other investments. Improved material availability ensures smoother production processes and on-time deliveries. Effective materials management builds a resilient, efficient, and sustainable business.